lentil, snake gourd, coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most nutritious of the lentil recipes and one of the most unique of the snake gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes. The ingredients are 100 grams of lentil soaked in water for 2 hours, 200 grams of snake gourd cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 20 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 4 to 5 red chillies, 1 tomato cut into pieces, and 1 spoon of fennel seeds. Heat the pan and pour 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the seeds. Salt, put in the red chili, put in the shallots, until the shallots will separate brown. curry. Now put in the ginger, ginger, ginger and the rest of the mixture. Put in the garlic, salt, ready to be toasted. Put in the salt, now put in the salt to taste, mix, mix in the salt, mix in the salt, the rest of the mixture. Put in the lentil. Mix. Now pour in 250 ml of coconut milk. Mix the ingredients in the coconut milk and let the mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes in the pressure cooker or 25 minutes in the open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in 1 cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes if in the pressure cooker or 15 minutes if in the open pan. Now the lentil snake gourd coconut milk rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final lentil snake gourd coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the lentil recipes and one of the most delicious of the snake gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification